Most impactful awards. I'm a CEO of Dynasty View Sdn Bhd under UMland Group in charge of Street Austin Township. The current developments in Street Austin are the double-story terraces Jade and Pearl, as well as the cluster semi-detached at Esther. Total about 500 over units. These are the current developments. The latest developments in Street Austin are the Lagoons apartments and also the landed strata 3 stories. These are the latest developments with about 262 units. Right? And the features that we have are we have swimming pools, we have got a lake, we have a beautiful lake over the overseeing all the houses and landed strata and also the apartments. The secrets of Street Austin Township, basically you must have the initiative, innovative, and also the creativity. You must have all this to be the first among other developers. For example, Street Austin, we have the first EM collaboration with MBJB, and also we are the first to sign with Telekom Malaysia on the high-speed broadband Unify. Until now, we have 4 agreements that we signed. And the other first is that we are the first to have bicycle lane in Street Austin, in Johor. These are the 3 first. Then followed by the recognition as the first smart, healthy, safety and communities township in Iskandar, Malaysia. Followed by also 2 town park that smoke-free in Street Austin. The secret is basically initiative, creativity, and also have the passion. You have the passion and commitments to make it happen. We have vision and missions for the group. The vision for our group, UMland, is to be a property of distinction. Then followed by vision. Vision is to create lifestyles and communities in the township, and also to have a strong human force with good teamwork. We have to encourage good teamwork among all the staff. The advantage of this most impactful award is that recognitions, right? The buyers and all our residents recognize that our township are very impactful with a lot of features and amenities such as the bicycle lane, Unify, and we're also coming out with our Street Austin Mall, etc., etc. Now, I'm KK Wong, CEO of Dynasty View UMland Street Austin. Now, I'm very happy and proud to receive this award, Asia Most Impactful Award. And this is the 2nd time that I received the award. And last year I received it in Kuala Lumpur, KL, and this time I received it in my hometown, Johor Bahru. So I'm really, really proud, and I'd like to thank the Asia Success for organizing or hosting this event. Thank you very much.